This is How to Make Matcha with White Tea Company. First, some things you'll need. This is a bamboo whisk specifically meant for whisking matcha. You'll also need some really good high-quality matcha. This is ours from White Tea Co. The best way to tell if you have good matcha is by the color. You always want it to be a vibrant green, never brown, never dull. You'll also need a matcha bowl. This is mine. Make sure your bowl has nice high sides. Of course, you'll need a cup and a teaspoon, and if you'd like, some sugar and milk. Start by using half a teaspoon for every 8 to 12 ounce cup that you're going to make. And then you need water. Your water should never be boiling. Hot is good though. Pour just enough to make a paste. And you'll see I'm kind of just using my whisk to get all the clumps out. Nice and thick paste there. And then you pour more water in to get the matcha up off the bowl. I do a couple of circles. And now I start to pour water a little more heavily, and then I'm going to whisk. You'll want to do zigzags or W's, M's, or Z's, whatever works for you, but you don't want to whisk in circles. Do this until you get a nice foamy froth. And you're done. Go ahead and pour that in your cup. It can get a little messy sometimes. Then go ahead and add your sugar and your milk, and you're all done. Thank you so much for watching. You can find our matcha at whitetea.com.